Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new releases show and tell video, and I cannot wait to show you the new kits that is up on the shop. There is something new in the shop, this right here, and I'll explain that in a little bit. So if you'd like to see what's new in the shop, that will be up by the time you're watching this. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Alright, so let's get started with the new stuff in the shop right now. And I just wanted to go through all the different options that we have. So here we have the Hobonichi kits that we have in the shop right now. We also have printables, but I only have the physical kits to show you. So we have two types of Hobonichi Weeks kits that are available in the shop. We have the regular one right here, and we also have the essentials right here. So the main difference between the two is that you get more stickers with the regular kits, and it is 2 pages. So the first page and the second page, while the essentials, you only really get 1 page. This is for really minimal planning. So here we have the date cover. So they both have date covers. They both have the decorative strip, and then you both get boxes. But for the essentials, you only get a few of the blank as well as the checklist box. While in the regular one, you got a full 7 set of the checklist box and the blank box. So you get 7 of each. And then you also get this extra page. So in this page, you have your script stickers, your headers. You also get headers here in the essentials. And then you have your bottom boxes. So this is for the left page and this is for the right page. This is double of this. And this is very decorative while this one is blank. So for essentials, for the double box of the essentials, and I'm sorry about these things. If you're new to the channel, those are ink stains. I can't really get them out of a board. So yeah, I've lived with that for a while. So here you also have your double box. So you do have your blank double box, but then you also have the decorative, no, not double box, but bottom bars. So you have your left bottom bar, and then you also get your right bottom bar, or you can switch between the two. However you would like to use these, because they are the same dimensions of each other. So this dimension is the same as the dimension of this. Now the thing is, before I used to not offer any of the blank boxes. Instead, this area was decorative, and then they used to be all in one strip. So the checklist boxes used to be all in one strip, and these used to be all just checklist box, and they would be one strip. So what happened was that we individually cut them, and you have seen this in the past few releases, and then this one is also individually cut. So what happened was that the decos didn't have anywhere to go, and I didn't want to put them here because I wanted to have the script stickers more than I would like the deco. And a lot of people don't really use the deco. However, at the same time, I feel really bad because I did miss the decos, and the decos were life to me. I really like putting them in my planner. So what I did is that I provided now a separate add-on. So you can add this on your order. If you're ordering from the same collection, this will match any kit in the same collection. So for example, this collection is called CHIC Summer, and it says right here CHIC Summer, and this is the decorative sheet for the Hobonichi Weeks. The stickers would be much smaller than the regular deco sheet that we provided. Before, we had a giant deco sheet, and a lot of people liked it, but I did not keep making it for every collection because before the Hobonichi Weeks regular kits used to have the deco already. So I didn't feel like it was necessary. But then now that there's absolutely no deco, this became life. Yeah, I thought that if people really wanted deco as much as I did, then they would have an option to grab this sheet. So this sheet has individually cut decorative elements that matches each kit. For example, this is called the coral reef, and it works for both the essential as well as the regular. So you have the fish elements and the coral elements, and then it would really match each other. So if you would like to also incorporate some of the other decos into this spread that you use, so if you're using coral reef but then you want a girl on it, a fashion girl on it, then you can also do that. Or turtles or seashells or flowers. This is separate and you have to add it to your cart for you to be able to get this. It doesn't come with any of these Hobonichi Weeks kits, but I think for me, if you're a heavy deco user, this is totally worth it, and you can save some of this for other spreads like in your notes pages or whatever. So I think this was a really neat idea, and I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this. So now we're going to go ahead and continue with our Hobonichi Weeks regular kits. So you have seen these all, or this particular one already. Once again, this is called Coral Reef, and it's very pastel, very sweet, but at the same time, you know, it packs a punch because there's a lot of different elements to it. So this one is just a scene of the ocean. And then we have turtles. So the background of this is just turtles. This is a mint green. I'm sorry if it's looking a little blue. It's really mint green. It's true mint. By the way, this is printed in matte sticker paper. And then the double box looks like this. And it's so pretty. Double box or bottom bar. And then we have Summer Mood. So this is the first page. It's a little bit abstract. And this is the second page. And I love making these like super blank bottom bars with just a giant deco on it, a giant art on it, so that here you can write whatever you would like, or you can layer some of the foiled add-ons. I don't have any foiled coats on the shop, but there are a lot of shops that you can buy that from. For example, Glam Planner has a lot of add-ons that are in foil, and if you'd like to use those, this is the perfect kit to use that on. I have an order from Glam Planner, but I haven't received it yet, and I cannot wait. So next we have Summer Fresh, and this is very floral. So this art is gorgeous. This pattern is just stunning. And then this is the second page. So it's really pretty. Very floral. And that is Summer Fresh. Next we have Summer Frolic, and Summer Frolic has options. It has 4 options, but I'll show you the first page first. So this is Summer Frolic. It's also very flowery, but this is a type of a summer flower, I believe. And it's just really pretty, very pink. And then these are the options for the bottom bars. So this is option A, and this is option B, and there are options C and D, but I don't have it right now. So and then last we have Dip In. So I'm going to take this away because it's confusing. So if there are options in the shop, then it would have the same first page and just options for the second page. So this is Dip In. And this is the boxes. So this is option D and C. There's obviously A and B, but I don't have them right now. So this is the bottom bar and bottom bar D. It's so gorgeous. It's so peaceful, this. So those are the Hobonichi regular kits that we have. Now let's move on to the other thing, which is the essentials. So the essentials is a single page, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to stack them together. So you've seen this is Coral Reef, and this is what the double box looks like. And then we also have Summer Mood. So it's the same, and you can write whatever you would like, or just leave it blank so that it's super white space and super pretty. So once again, these are cut individually. And then this is Turtles. Lots and lots of turtle, pretty little turtles. I love turtles. And then next we have Summer Frolic. So for the essentials of Summer Frolic, there are no options. It's just this one. Why do I have double? Okay, and I think this is the last one. This is Dip In. This is the double box. So pretty. It's so minimal too. So I guess we are done with this. Oh no, one last. Sorry, I did not arrange this whatsoever. So this is the last one. This is Summer Fresh. And this is the double box. I love this. So pretty. I actually am very much in love with all of the things here right now because it is just my color palette, my style, very very artsy, but at the same time very sweet. If you are into that, then this is the collection for you. Once again, this collection is called Summer, or rather Chic Summer. And then these are the regular ones. And then, of course, you can get the add-on, the Deco Sheet add-on. Alright, and that is it for us today for all our new releases. I'm gonna flash a discount code right here if I have it. It's applicable for all new releases, so the Chic Summer Collection, until I think maybe Wednesday. So if you like any of what you see here, go ahead and grab it now because you can grab it at a discount. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel and follow us on our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook page is paperjoyph, and please join our Facebook group. It is Paperjoy Planning World. Paperjoy PH Planning World. Alright, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!